And welcome to today's video. This is another foundational literacy lesson designed for adult non-readers and English as a second language adult students. Today we're going to be learning some additional sounds for the letter S and also the sounds in English for the letter H. But first we'll review all of the sounds that we've learned so far. So go ahead and pause the video, see if you can remember how to make the sounds for each of these letters, and then you can restart the video and listen to check.
A, N, E, D, E, K, B, G, K.
All right, this time you're going to listen and mark down the order in which you hear the sounds. I'll play it first and let you try it on your own, and then I'll play it again and write in the correct order.
G, B, K, N, D, K, E, A.
All right, let's play it again, and this time I'll fill in the answers.
G, B, K, N, D, K, E, A.
And the C and K, don't worry if you had those reversed. Those are pretty much the same. There really isn't much difference between those two. So if you got those reversed, that's fine because they're both the same sound. All right, so now practice sounding out these words. Again, to review, these are all sounds that we've learned in the past. So sound out each sound and then read the word. Pause the video while you do that and then restart when you're ready to check your answers.
G, E, T, get, B, E, D, bed, D, I, M, dim, S, A, T, sat, B, E, G, beg, P, A, T, pat.
All right, now we're going to listen to a new sound with the S. So listen and repeat.
S, 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 bats,
Okay, so pay attention. There's a lot of air in this S sound, so S. So not Z, but S.
A, T, S, cats.
Okay, now try to read these words, sounding them out, and then pause the video while you do that, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers.
M, A, maps, a, t, s, hats, t, a, s, tops, g, e, t, s, gets,
Right, and here is another sound that's associated with the letter S. So listen and repeat.
z, 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 pans,
So this is the same Z that you would hear in zebra, but it's coming at the end of the word like in pans, pans.
d, a, g, z, dogs,
All right, now practice these words, sounding out each letter, and then try to pronounce the word. Pause the video while you do that, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers.
a, n, z, fans, b, a, g, z, bags, a, z, as, I, z, is,
All right, now we're going to learn the H sound, and here is how to write both the capital H and the lowercase h, and also pay attention to the mouth position when you make the H. So listen and repeat.
hat,
And listen.
a, d, had,
All right, now try sounding out these words. Again, pause the video, try it on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers.
a, t, hut, I, n, t, hint, a, t, s, hats, e, n, z, ends,
All right, now practice sounding out these words. Try it on your own and then restart when you're ready to check your answers.
a, n, t, s, hunts, b, a, g, z, bugs, m, a, d, mud, s, A. Sam. G. Z. Hugs. A. T. S. Mats.
All right, here are some additional words for practice. Again, try sounding them out, pronounce the word, and then restart the video when you're ready to check.
T. S. Puts. G. E. T. S. Gets. T. A. P. Top. S. I. T. S. Sits. P. A. T. S. Pats. A. P. Map.
All right, this time you're going to listen, write down the words you hear, um, and then I'll play it a second time so that you can check your answers.
Pats. Bugs. Hunts. Mats. Sits. Map. Pats. Bugs. Hunts. Mats. Sits. Map.
All right, and now we're going to review the sight words. Again, remember that sight words are can't really be sounded out. You just have to memorize them. So try these on your own, see if you can remember, and then restart the video to listen and check.
The. Go. To. He.
All right, now we'll read a story. So read the sentences, sound out any words that you don't know. You can pause the video while you do that, and then restart to listen and check.
Pat hunts bugs in the mud. Sam hugs cats on the mats. Dan puts on his cap and gets his map. He and his dog go to the top. He sits and pats his dog.
All right, this time pause the video, try reading the entire story on your own, and then restart the video when you're ready to check your answers.
Dan puts on his cap and gets his map. He and his dog go to the top. He sits and pats his dog.
All right, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a like, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.